Dear students, I hope you all are well, and let us continue our journey of the lesson Maths with Logo. So in this class, I will impart you about the label command. Now take out your book and pencil and mark the important point. So let us continue our lesson. The label command. The label command allows us to write text or number in the vertical direction on the drawing area of the MSW logo. Let us insert some command in the input box. So let us give the INURI to the computer level 1000 in the input box. Now when we click the execute button, you will see the following result. You will see this following result in computer. If we want to write some text on the drawing area in the vertical direction, then in the beginning at the end you have to insert in the double quote for one word, and in some special case which contain more than one word, you have to use the square bracket. Okay, you have to use the square bracket. For example, if you want to input first name, then we have to write the command as label what, and type your name, and then have to click on the execute button. Let us to consider this as case 1 of. For case 2, if you write the title of particular student, then we have to use a square bracket. For example, if you write the name, then first of all you give this square bracket. Okay, then we have to click on the execute button. When we use label command, the text or number appear in the direction in which the turtle is pointing. The method when we use label command, then first of all for example, if we write the title of particular student, then we have to use the square bracket. This square bracket, after that we write the name and title. After that this bracket is closed, and then we have clicked on the execute button. This is the procedure. When we use label command, the text or number appear in the direction in which the turtle is pointing. This means that now we can write text direction in any direction, as your turtle is showing not just vertically. As for example, there are type of following command: RT16 label Monday. This will write Monday in the same direction as the turtle position. Okay, this is the method when we following the label command. First of all, we type write 60 RT60, then label Monday. This is the method. Okay, now we are discuss the mathematical calculation with logo. So this is the part, mathematical calculation with logo. Logo can be used to perform simple calculation. Symbols used to perform mathematical operation are addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. Okay, this was the symbol of addition. Subtraction, this is the symbol. Multiplication, this is the symbol. And division, this is the symbol. These symbols are also called operators. To use arithmetic operation in logo, you have to use one of the command: PR, label, FD, PK, LT, RT, and SCTH. So if you want to calculate the sum of 101 and 26, and if you just type 101 plus 26 in the input box, you will not get the desired result. To get the desired result, write print print or PR command before the operation print 101 plus 26. Means when we put in a computer 101 plus 26, then we are 101 plus 26, then we not get the result. 101 plus 26, then we not get the result. After that we print print. This is the method. First of all we write, after that we write 101 plus 26 and we show the result. Okay. Next, we can also perform calculation by using symbols or function commands like sum, difference, product and quotient can only with print command. Addition. Look at the following example. So students, look at the example. Type PR 15 plus 20 in the input box. First of all, type PR and 15 plus 20 in input box. After that, it will add two numbers and print the result. That is 35 in Commander Windows. Okay. First of all, we type PR 15 plus 20. If we are print only 15 plus 20, then we don't get the result. So first of all, we type PR. Okay. Now using some command, finding the sum of two numbers using some command. Type PR sum 15 plus 20. It will add the two numbers and print the result. Then it is 35 in command window. Subtraction. Look at the following. Type label 800 minus 500 in the input box. First of all, we type label 800 minus 500 in the input box. It will subtract the two numbers and show the result. Then that is 300. In the drawing area, type in the position of the turtle. So this is the method. How to using some command. Okay. Now we are discuss difference command. Subtract using the difference command. Type FD difference 500 300. It will subtract the two numbers and show the result, that is 200 by moving the turtle forward by 200 unit. Okay. Multiplication. Look at the following example. Type BK. First of all, we type BK 10 into 10. This is the symbol of into. In the input box, this command will multiply the two numbers and give the result, that is 100, by moving the turtle backward by 100 unit. This is the practical computer screen. Okay. So student, today our class is over. In next class we will discuss the remaining part of this chapter, and today I give some homework, so please write down, and thank you.